Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make avocado paste. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll want to choose perfectly ripe avocados, as they are key to a creamy, delicious paste. Make sure you have a sturdy fork or a potato masher, along with a mixing bowl. Think about your favorite seasonings too. A little salt and a squeeze of fresh lime juice are always a great start. Now let's prepare those beautiful avocados. Take each one and carefully slice it in half lengthwise around the pit. Once opened, gently twist the halves apart. You'll then need to remove the large pit. A spoon works well for this. Finally, use a spoon to scoop all the soft, vibrant green flesh directly into your mixing bowl, leaving the skin behind. With the avocado flesh in the bowl, it's time to mash. Grab your fork or potato masher and begin breaking down the avocado. You can mash it until it's perfectly smooth, or leave it a little chunky if you prefer that texture. Once mashed, add a generous pinch of salt and a good squeeze of fresh lime juice. These simple additions truly enhance the natural flavors. To finish, you can stir in any extra seasonings you love, like a dash of garlic powder, some chopped cilantro, or even a hint of chili flakes for a kick. Give your avocado paste a taste and adjust the salt or lime as needed to suit your preference. It's best served fresh, but you can store it in an airtight container with plastic wrap pressed directly on the surface to prevent browning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.